Project Organizational Structures, Larry Jeffers Race Cars, LJRC. Scenario 1, Functional Project Organization, LJRC Mahi Mahi 1 Dragster, Project, Design and Build LJRC's first dragster, the Mahi Mahi 1. Structure, Functional. Existing engineer, Jack Smith, assigned project management on top of his regular duties. Team members include engineers from Jack's department. Metrics, Project Timeline, Initial Target, 6 months. Actual, 9 months, delayed due to competing departmental priorities. Budget, Initial Target, $100,000. Actual, $115,000, cost overruns due to overtime for engineers. Team availability, limited. Engineers dedicate only a portion of their time to the project, impacting overall progress. Scenario 2, Weak Matrix Project Organization, LJRC Mahi Mahi 2 Dragster, Project, Design and Build LJRC's second dragster, the Mahi Mahi 2, aiming for a faster top speed. Structure, Weak Matrix. A dedicated project manager, Sarah Jones, is brought in. Team members include engineers from Jack's department, part-time, and fabrication specialists from another department. Metrics, Project Timeline, Initial Target, 5 months. Actual, 6 months, delays due to scheduling conflicts between departments for team members. Budget, Initial Target, $120,000. Actual, $125,000, minor cost overruns due to material price fluctuations. Team availability, improved. Engineers dedicate more time due to Sarah's intervention, but scheduling conflicts with fabrication still arise. Scenario 3, Strong Matrix Project Organization, LJRC Mahi Mahi 3 Dragster, Project, Design and Build LJRC's third dragster, the Mahi Mahi 3, aiming to win the upcoming Super Drag race. Structure, Strong Matrix. Sarah Jones remains the project manager. A dedicated project team is formed, including engineers and fabrication specialists who report directly to Sarah. Metrics, Project Timeline, Initial Target, 4 months. Actual, 4.5 months, minor delay due to unforeseen technical challenge. Budget, Initial Target, $150,000. Actual, $148,000, achieved cost savings through better resource allocation and negotiation with suppliers. Team availability, high. Dedicated team focuses solely on the project, enabling faster progress and problem solving. Analysis. These scenarios demonstrate the impact of project organizational structures on LJRC's performance. Functional structure, least efficient due to limited project focus and competing priorities. Leads to delays and cost overruns. Weak matrix structure, improvement over functional, but scheduling conflicts and divided loyalties still hinder progress. Strong matrix structure, most efficient for complex projects. Dedicated team and clear leadership lead to faster completion, improved budget control, and a higher chance of achieving project goals. LJRC Learnings. LJRC's experience highlights the importance of choosing the right project structure. For the upcoming Super Drag Race Championship, LJRC will likely adopt a strong matrix structure for all race car projects to ensure dedicated project teams with the necessary skills and experience. Clear lines of authority to avoid conflicts and streamline decision-making. Improved communication and collaboration between team members from different departments. Enhanced focus on project goals and timely completion. By implementing a strong matrix structure, LJRC aims to increase its chances of winning the Super Drag Race Championship and solidify its position as a leading race car contender. Scenario 1, Functional Project Organization, LJRC Minnow. Scenario 2, Weak Matrix Project Organization, LJRC Swordfish. Scenario 3, Strong Matrix Project Organization, LJRC Blue Marlin. These options follow a logic where the minnow represents a small, less powerful fish, relating to the limitations of the functional structure. The swordfish is a faster and more agile fish, representing the improvement in the weak matrix. Finally, the blue marlin is a large and powerful fish, representing the effectiveness of the strong matrix. You can choose any other fish names that you find relevant and interesting. Project Organizational Structures. A breakdown understanding project organizational structures is crucial for successful project delivery. Types of project organizational structures: functional, traditional company structure with departments, for example, marketing, engineering. Projects are delivered within a specific department. Existing manager takes on project management responsibilities. Team members may have limited project-specific time. Project-based, entirely focused on project delivery. Dedicated project managers and teams. Not common outside of project-based businesses. Matrix, hybrid of functional and project-based structures. Weak matrix, limited project manager authority, team members pulled from different departments, part-time on project. Strong matrix, dedicated project manager with more authority, some full-time team members. Choosing the right structure, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Consider factors like project complexity, skills needed, and company culture. Additional considerations: organizational identity, how does the company view itself, leader, follower, innovator? Human resources, emphasis on employee success or profitability. Business unit integration, collaboration or competition between units. Organizational culture, risk tolerance, short-term versus long-term focus, project management maturity. Product maturity, stage in the product life cycle, initiating, growth, maturity, decline. Company maturity, startup versus established company. Key takeaway: align your project structure and management with the overall organizational culture for success.